of a live trading session. Most importantly, I would like to know where you are watching us from. Where are you watching us from currently? Use the comment section to share where you're watching from. I would like to know where. All right. Where are you watching us from? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. Where are you watching from? Are you watching from Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, India, Sierra Leone? Name it. Let me know in the comment section. Before we start, let me know where you're watching from in the comment section. And as you can see, we have vital information displayed on the screen. Do well to take advantage of it. It's an opportunity for you to double your deposit by using the promo code on the screen. It's that time where we give opportunity to our clients and our users to take advantage of this opportunity. Awesome. I want to know, where are you watching from? Let me know in the comment section. All right, where are you watching from? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, awesome. Yeah, I'm waiting for you guys. Let me know in the comment section where you're watching from. Okay, so while I'm waiting for you guys to share where you're watching from, we'll get straight into business of the day. Okay, good. I can see Altara from South Africa. Okay, any more? Okay, I know many of us are joining, and yeah, for those who have joined us now, do well to share this session with your friends who would love to be part of this. Great. So today we'll be starting our analysis on gold. Okay, carrying out an overview on the gold market. Okay, yeah, so we're starting with a monthly time frame, and on the monthly time frame we are asking ourselves, what is the current market structure? All right, thank you. I can see Adebayo from Nigeria. So we're asking ourselves, what is the current market structure? So we say the current market structure being here. Okay, the current market structure being here, and so we are mapping out various levels of support and resistance as well. To be able to see through these levels clearly, you might want to change from a candlestick chart to a line chart. So it helps you to see the edges where the contours are being shaped clearly. So we can see here we have a resistance level, here we have a support level, here we have another support level. And in between this place here we have a minor support turned resistance, or resistance turned support. Okay, so currently we can see what price is doing. Price having moved up to this level, came down again, went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, and then it's on its way down. Where would it go next? So if you observe that the price movements that came around here kept touching the edges, okay, they kept touching this particular resistance level and could not break out of that level, okay. They kept touching and reversing, they kept touching and reversing. All right, now they touched this level, they touched this level. Now it came back to that region again and price was still resisted, okay. And we can see price turned round, in a bearish direction, okay. Price turned round in a bearish direction down to this level, and we can see that on this level there is a minor resistance turned support level, okay. There is a minor resistance turned support level here in the middle here. All right, let's see. Yes, here, let me make that place thick. Good. Here as a minor support turned resistance level, if you can see here, you observe how price had moved up and rallied here a bit before breaking out, then later coming back and falling through it again. So this level now is currently acting as a support for our current price zone, okay. For our current price level is acting as a support for our current price level from falling further, okay. Now there is no certainty to the fact that this support level will be a solid one, okay. There is no guarantee to that fact. All right, but it's interesting to know that this level is also a level to watch if you are looking to short or trade the gold market. Now this is the monthly time frame where each candles here are formed in 1 month, okay. So let's go down to the weekly time frame to see what is actually happening in the market. So here you can see that obviously price went up, okay, came down, went up to this resistance region and price is being resisted. Price went down, went up again, okay. Don't forget, if you observe here now, it was not just, let me identify this place more clearly. It was not just easy for price to break through this level, downward. Okay, it was not just easy for price at all to break through this level. So this level here is a support region now, right? And you can see that it's holding the current market price from falling further. So now is a question of how long can it hold it, and would it be able to hold it? All right, that's the question. Can it hold it? Will it be able to hold it? A very vital question to ask. So here we can now expect that price would most likely do two things. One is either price breaks out of this level or price turns around. Okay, it's either price breaks out of this level or price turns around. Those are the two scenarios that will most likely happen. And the breaking downwards would happen if the support level gets weak and cannot withstand or hold the price down, okay, or hold the price at that level. Okay, so let's look at the other lower time frames to help us make informed decision. Let's look at the daily time frame. Now we can see that the daily time frame look at what we have on the daily time frame. So we can see a pattern where price went up, came down, price went up, came down, and we can see a repetition of it here where price went up and is coming down now. Okay, now it's now a question of what happens next. All right, because if you look closely, this is a high that is higher than this. All right, so this is a low. Okay, so price now has come to a resistance level and has been resisted, and now there has been a massive fall in price. Okay, so currently here you can see that the reason why we are having little wicks to the downside, is because there is still a little buy pressure here. All right, very little. But from the move of price, we can see that there is more bearish momentum than there is bullish momentum currently in the market. There is more bearish momentum than there is bullish momentum currently in the market. So we can expect that when price breaks out of here, it comes back to retest this level, okay, and then final breakout and final continuous fall in price can be easily projected. Okay, continuous fall in price can be easily projected. So let's look at this. Okay, if you have any question, you can always drop it in the comment section. Aris, welcome. Aris from Indonesia. Oluwatoyin, Roslyn from Nigeria. Abubakar from Nigeria. You're welcome. So let's go to the lower time frame, which is say the 4 hours. The 4 hours time frame. Okay, so like from what we can see here, we can see that price had gone up and was rejected and fell. Then we can see the slowly downward movement in price. How price was moving down slowly. Alright. Now with this price pattern or this chart pattern or price movement moving in a decentralized, in a descending manner, okay, we might actually have a breakout to the downside. Okay, we might actually have a breakout to the downside, because as price keeps leaning against this support level, it weakens the support level. All right, and when the support level cannot take it anymore, it opens up and price drops. Okay, good. So what are we targeting here? As a trader, I would have my target level here. Okay, I will have my target level below the current price. And why is that? Because one, all things being equal, if price did not break out from here and price keeps going up, I would not have anything to lose. Why? Because I've set price below the current target level. Okay, I've set price below the current market price. So until this price falls and triggers my sell order before it starts selling off. But the moment I sell right away, right now, and price keeps going up, I would be on the losing side. Okay, I would be on the losing side. But the moment I play a little of risk management, where I set my entry level below the current market price, and I patiently wait for the current market price to fall below it, okay, in order to get to that my set target price before I am now confident that there would most likely be a continuous fall in price. Okay, that is why if I'm going to take this trade, I will set my sell order below the current market price. Okay, good. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame. Now, the 1 hour time frame tells you what is happening or what has happened in the last 1 hour. Okay? It tells you what has happened and what is happening in the last 1 hour. So you can see that in the last 1 hour, there has been a decline in price. Okay, so here on the 1 hour time frame, we can see that price has been on a declining fall. All right, and several levels several levels where price had crossed. Okay, several levels where price have crossed. So you could see that price came at this region. All right. Price, consolidated here and broke further downward, came down, consolidated here and broke further downward again. And currently, we can see price acting up that same consolidation method here. So, why price is doing this, what do we expect? Having observed history, having observed the historical price movement, what do we expect that price would do here? So from the historical price movement perspective, history repeats itself, so they say. But I tell you that humans repeat history. Looking at these levels here, it is safe to say that since on our 4 hours time frame, okay, on our daily time frame, we are having that bearish signal. Okay, that bearish signal, the fact that the bears are more in control. But when you look at the 1 hour time frame, it now looks like the bulls are in control. So now you can't be so sure that this is going to be a sustainable bull run. All right. However, our triangular box here is actually a good frame to know when price is breaking out of this consolidation or not. So there are two things we will anticipate price will do right here. Number one is price breaking outward to the upward side. Okay. Number two is price breaking downwards as well. All right. And that's it. Okay. That's it. Price breaking upward and price breaking downwards. So now that we are seeing price going to the resistance level, let's see if price will break out of its own consolidation or would reverse and break out of and break downward out of the consolidated box. All right. So what we are going to do here is to therefore wait for price to give us a specific direction it is actually going. And that specific direction would only be determined when there is a breakout from this box. Right? From that box. Okay? And that's it. So we are waiting for price to break out either upward or downwards. That's for the gold market. So someone had requested that we look into GBP USD. Sounds interesting. Let's take a deep dive into that. let's start with the higher time frame and get to analyze what we want or what we are looking for. Okay. So, if you have any question, you can always drop it. All right. In the comment section, of course. If you are following, let me know in the comment section. If you are following, let me know in the comment section. Before I proceed, let me know if you are following in the comment section. Let me know if you are following at the comment section, guys. I'm looking out for that. Let me know if you are following. Okay. Awesome. Still following. Thank you. So yeah, when we first look at the GBP USD market, from observation we are asking ourselves, what is the current market structure? Okay, what is the current market structure? And we can see that obviously the current market structure is downward slope. Downward slope. The current market structure is downward slope. All right. So let's map out areas of support and resistance level. Let's map out areas of support and resistance levels. So yes, from what we can see now, we can see that now we have been able to map out areas of support and resistance. So here we see price, consolidated here for months before breaking out, and here okay. Okay, so we can see how price has consolidated here before breaking out, then price consolidated here, a little breakout, and then price pushed back into the box. So let's look at the lower time frame for clarity purpose. So when we look at the weekly time frame, we can see how price has been, moving in this same consolidated format. All right, and currently price broke out of the consolidated box and broke in back into the box. But if you look closely, this time is important that you use the understanding of candlesticks to actually determine the pressure of the bearish market. Okay, so here we can see that, if you see now that in last 2 weeks we had a bearish candlestick. Okay, and last week we had indecision. Then this week we are having a bearish pin bar. All right, a bearish pin bar. Now these are enough sell signals. These are enough sell signals to say, okay, the GBP USD is going to drop further. All right, it's going to drop further. So to get more clarity into that, let's look at the daily time frame. Okay, if you look closely, if you look at this place now, you would see I want to draw. Okay, let me duplicate it. Good. So here you can see that there is the chart formed a double top. Double top indicating a bearish signal. Okay, this is double top indicating a bearish signal. Okay, so what do we expect from a double top? A bearish signal, continuous fall in price. All right, continuous fall in price. Okay, okay, so we are expecting a downward price movement. Awesome. So we're expecting what? a further fall in price. However, what are you waiting for? What should be your confirmation before entering into this market? So your confirmation before entering into this market is that you should wait till price breaks out of this support zone. When price breaks out of this support zone, okay, that would now give us a confirmation, because you need two or more confluence to confirm that the price, the pounds USD would fall. Okay, to confirm that the pounds USD would fall. Okay, so you would need to wait to see price break out of this region. Okay, you need to wait to see price break out of this region. When price breaks out of this region, then you come in with a sell. So what would you want to even do? Because you might not be there when price breaks out. What do you want to do? You want to set an order, a sell order, all right, that triggers sell when the price falls down to outside the support level to this region. Okay, I believe you're learning something. Let me know if you are getting the point and you're learning something in the comment section. Let me know. 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 Let me know if you are getting the point. All right. Let me know if you are getting the point. Okay. So like I said here, price drops. Once price drops outside this region, then you are good to short the market. That's what we're looking at here. All right. Yes, you are good to go. If price drops outside that region, then you are good to go to short the market. Any question? 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 Thank you, Oluwatosin. You're following. If you have any question, do well to ask. Let's look at the 4 hours time frame. The 4 hours time frame. Sorry. The 4 hours time frame. So definitely from the 4 hours time frame, we can also see what is happening. Now observe here the resistance level, and then here another resistance level. So you can see that price broke out of this support level. Price came back to check that level. That level was solid, and price pushed the market pushed price down for that. All right, and price is currently here. Okay, price is currently here at present, which means price would still need to fall further. All right, so from here where price broke out, reversed a bit and came down again. This is for intraday traders. It's now a different ball game, because now you are seeing from within and even closer. Okay, every candlestick here is formed in 4 hours. So here now, from what we can see here, that the bearish candle actually came from the top here and closed below the last 5 hours or 6 hours or 7 hours. Because if you look at it now, the market, the bearish candle closed here, but if you look at the previous candles, their close is not even up to this level previously and every other one. So you can see that the candlestick here closed far below them. Now this is showing a great momentum, bearish momentum in the market. A great bearish momentum in the market. Okay, so Atara said, I'm still learning and I'm still learning something. As for my understanding, I think GBP is gonna be the same as gold. It's gonna sell. Okay, it's gonna sell. So for intraday traders now, you can look at selling at this region and taking profit here. Okay, so and you now wait to see if price breaks further, or then you edge. So which means when you sell at the immediate current market price and price goes further in profit away from your entry level, you can move your stop loss into your entry level, so that if our top price reverses back, it goes to break even. Okay, so let's say you sell at this price now and price your profit came down to this level. All right, then your stop loss is here. You can now move your stop loss down to your entry level. When you move your stop loss down to your entry level, if price now goes back up, instead of you ending up in loss, you end up to break even. Okay, you end up breaking even, and that is a win-win scenario. Any question? Yes, intraday trading works the same from what we've analyzed here. Let's look at what the 1 hour time frame says. So for the 1 hour time frame, we're having a different ball game, but similar scenarios playing out. So here you can see what price is currently doing. So price here had fallen and covered all the previous close. Then these prices are forming, after the breakout, the bearish breakout candle here. Okay, and then looking as though there is a bullish momentum coming in, but it's actually not strong. Okay, it's really not strong, but definitely all things being equal, you always want to protect yourself. You always want to use your stop loss. You also want to take precautions, right? You don't want to over trade, you don't want to over leverage, you don't want to use higher lot size for a small trading account. All right, you want to be very, very careful how you trade and when you trade, and how much you are actually using to trade. Okay, so you don't want, this is not the time for you to go all in, because definitely we are looking at a very volatile market. All right, so you want to be very careful of price movement at this level. All right, Ari said take a short position. That's discretionary. You can decide to enter now, you can decide to wait for the price to break out of this level. It's all the same. Okay, any other thing? Any other question? Any other question? Happy to answer you. Any other question? Okay, so yeah, let's take a look at in the absence of no question. Okay, someone is asking questions. Said, what would you advise as the barest minimum to begin with? So barest minimum now depends on you, right? Someone else's barest minimum can be $100. Someone else's barest minimum can be $1,000. Someone else's can be $10K. Someone else's can be $100K. Right? So it's just important for you to know that you don't want to start entering the market with anything lower than either $100. All right, you don't want to start entering the market with anything lower than that. I encourage people to come in with that minimum, and that is, so that you can start engaging the market with a live account and know how it feels, build up your emotions over time. All right. Yes. Where to get good signals. That is why we are teaching you, so that you can generate good signals yourself. All right. If you've not followed this video or my sessions or the while, you can always go back to watch them. I've stressed on the point that I will teach you here so that you can generate good signals yourself rather than paying signal persons or the likes. Any other questions? Great. All right. So yeah, if you want to go down further, which is the 30 minutes, to see what is actually happening, you can actually see what is happening. So here we would have to confirm if price is going to break out upward or if price is going to break out downward. Okay. Awesome. I believe I've answered your questions. All right. Good. So one assignment I would have for each and every person is this: go back, sit with your system, and carry out an analysis yourself. Okay. Get your entry level, get your exit level. All right, and get prepared to take actions. Okay, minimize your lot size. Okay, minimize your lot size. Don't use big lot size. Don't use big leverage that could burn your account. These are very, very important tips that you need to know. Okay, so because it's only a patient trader that can be able to achieve its or our own goal. If you have certain targets in the market, it takes patience to achieve them. When you rush in, you might rush out. Okay, yeah, you don't want to rush out. So you want to treat trading as a business. All right, you start a small business now. You don't expect that you want to make turnover that same day. Okay, you don't expect that you want to make turnover that same day. All right, yes. Okay, so yes, we have a great opportunity for you. It says double your deposit using the promo code Tunmise 100 TUNMISE 100. Importantly, to apply the promo code, scan the QR code or use the link in the video description. Check out that video description, and this will be valid until 31st of May 2023. You don't want to miss out of these guys. Take action, jump on this, and make some money. Okay, thank you very much for joining. Someone is asking what is the perfect leverage. There is no perfect leverage. All right, depends on your capital. I believe the more you grow your account, the lower the leverage you should use. All right, so you keep your risk small. All right, great. So thank you very much for joining. Every Thursday we are always here putting great content out there, educating you about how to trade, how to analyze the financial market. We look forward to having you same time, same place, same channel. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button, tap on the notification bell, and be the first